खाते हैं हम नेशनल डिश ऑफ ईरान, कुबिडे 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 कबाब। ऐसे साथ में लेकर this is the potato, chickpea and the meat all squished together. Oh ho! Aha! I'm very fond of soup. Oh wow! गोरमे सब्जी। वेजिटेरियन नहीं है, इसमें मटन है। वाओ! मुझे तो फंसा दिया। See, the smile has come on my चेहरा again. Traditionally, this was fed to royalty, like royalty. We're at a time when the world is at war, literally, especially two countries, Iran and Israel. But these are two countries that we need to celebrate because of the glory that their past has, the glory that their culture has, and the glory that their tradition has. Both Iran and Israel boast of a fabulous cuisine. That is why, on this episode, we are discovering the cuisine of Iran or Persia. And for that, we've come to Cafe Mommy June in Bandra, who makes some fabulous food. I've been eating here since the day it opened. And trust me, if you like the food of that region, this is the place to be. If you like the meats and the breads, this is the place to be. So come, let's go inside Cafe Mommy June and ask the one question that we always ask. खाने में क्या है? So हमारे साथ सीमा है. सीमा is the force behind this restaurant, the cuisine. और पहला सवाल मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मुंबई में ईरानी रेस्टोरेंट्स तो बहुत है, लेकिन कोई भी ईरानी रेस्टोरेंट वो खीमा पाव, चाय, बन, मस्का वगैरह करते हैं, लेकिन ये जो खाना पर्शियन खाना है, जो ओरिजिनल ईरानी खाना बोलते हैं, जो ईरान में बनता है, वो कहीं नहीं मिलता, सिर्फ यहाँ मिलता है.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू.
करेक्ट? या तो आपने कैसे सोचा कि ये जो क्विजीन जो आपके घर में बनती है, जो आपके पूर्वजों की, यानी बिफोर दे केम फ्रॉम ईरान टू इंडिया, उनकी क्विजीन है, आज भी अगर आप ईरान जाओगे तो यही कबाब, यही ब्रेड्स मिलते हैं.
Exactly.
तो आपने कैसे सोचा कि ये करना है करके?
Actually, basically, na Priya Dutt and my brother Ali were very good friends.
Okay.
They were working for Congress together and all.
Correct.
So my mom used to send food for Priya.
Oh, okay.
So she used to enjoy our Iranian cuisine.
हाँ.
So then they realized कि चलो ये चीज हम लोग यहाँ शुरू करेंगे, ये concept. I was a housewife type. तो ऐसा जो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आता है, let's try. तो ये करके we started this.
तो जो आप घर में बनाते थे खाना,
हाँ.
जो प्रिया दत्त यानी दी ओनर ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट, और उनके जो हस्बैंड है ओवन रॉन्कन, जिन्होंने जब खोला था मुझे बोला था कि तुम्हें यहाँ आकर खाना है करके, और ही सेंड सम फूड ओवर व्हिच वाज ग्रेट. तो जो आप घर में, जब मम्मी घर में बनाती थी, उन्हें भेजते थे, तो वही sort of taste like करके उन्होंने
इतना पसंद आता था. तो she used to say कि then my brother Ali also was very this adamant कि we start this place. So my brother Muhammad Hussain, Ali Asghar, myself, and we four of us came up with this idea and we started this place.
जो ये cuisine है, उसका sort of mainstay क्या है? Is the mainstay rice? Is it breads? Is it the kebabs? Is it
Rice is the main with the kebabs. Now without kebab तो होगा नहीं.
कोई होता नहीं.
नहीं. From rice and the kebabs which are the main things.
Okay. और आज हम क्या खाने वाले हैं?
See, we have kebab kubide with
Okay.
rice. That is the national dish of Iran.
Okay.
That everybody knows about.
Everybody
it.
knows about it,
Yeah.
yes.
Then we have a moiche, lamb shanks. Then we have a gravies, what you are called khoresh.
Koresh.
So all this slow cooking पे जो होता है low flame पे वो आराम से बनता है. So these gravies we have. I hope you enjoy all our dishes.
Oh, I will. And the secret is that I have eaten here before several times. Okay.
I'm glad to know
So, and I should have come here earlier
Yeah.
and shot it, but मौका आज आया है,
that.
आज करेंगे.
बोलते हैं ना देर आए दुरुस्त आए.
दुरुस्त आए, देर आए दुरुस्त आए भी होगा. So सीमा, मैं अभी जाकर बैठने वाला हूँ और
अच्छा.
खाना खाने वाला हूँ.
Yeah.
Pure
Irani.
Persian recipes, Irani recipes, मुंबई में. Let's go. This is like sitting in Iran somewhere for a full feast because I've got the wonderful rice, the wonderful potato, the lamb, the hummus, the soup, and all these great kebabs right in front of me. Before I start digging into everything, and I'm going to start with the hummus and the pita, and then have the abgosht or the soup, let me just tell you what is on my table. Of course, got this beautiful looking silken, delicate hummus. You all know what hummus is made out of. It's made out of chickpeas, olives, and tahini is the paste of sesame seed with garlic, lemon juice, and topped with olive oil. That's the hummus. And it's meant to be eaten with this thin pita that is there. And while I'm describing, I thought I might as well have one bite of this lovely hummus. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now I feel like I'm in the Mediterranean Iran space. After that, we've got the soup, which is called abgosht. It's a traditional Persian clear soup called abgosht with mashed lamb, chickpeas, and potatoes served with roti, which is here. After that, we've got this. This is lamb stuffed barbari. This is like a bread which is stuffed with lamb. Then you come to the national dish of Iran. Kebab kubide, skewers of barbecued seasoned ground lamb kebabs made with Iranian saffron. And in Iran, they also call it chelo kebab. Nothing in Iran works without kubide. After the kubide, we've got the juju kebabs, which is this. Similar, made out of chicken. The key is, of course, what it is served with. These wonderful roasted tomato, green chili, onion, etc., etc. I'm going to get to that. Now, in the old days, you'd hear about a dish called shashlik. Lamb chops flavored with herbs. Beautiful, doesn't it look? Fantastic. Then we have this, like a ran or a shoulder. It's actually shanks of a lamb. It's called mahiche. It's a real Persian classic fall of the bone tender lamb shank served with saffron and dilled rice. Traditionally, this was fed to royalty, like royalty. This upside down pulao, this one, and I love this what khurchan that happens with the potatoes. It's a pulao. It's called an adas pulao. Aromatic rice cooked with lentils, served with chicken drumsticks, raisins, and meat balls. So there is a little bit of lentil in it. I can see chicken, but what I like the most is this. Now, if you think that they don't eat any vegetarian food, you are mistaken, because this is sabzi, the same word that we use, sabzi. It's gourmet sabzi. Gourmet sabzi is fresh herbs, fresh vegetables, sauteed with red kidney beans, which is rajma, and lime in it.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chicken, Frankie's chicken in a minute.
Come together with Drenkies.
Now that I've described everything to you, let's start with the soup, the abgosht. Arey wah! Now this is the soup, but it's got potatoes, it's got chicken in it, and it's all at the bottom of this pot, which needs to be mashed properly. I can see chickpea, tomato, Oh, this is going to be one full meal, huh? From what I can gather. Oh ho! Aha! Bas. Now let me see. This is the clear soup. This is the potatoes, chickpea, and the meat all squished together. Let's try this. मेरे को सूप बहुत अच्छा लगता है. किसी भी प्रकार का सूप हो, I'm very fond of soup. Oh wow! Got a strong flavor of tomato, hence the sourness. Very, very mild spices, but it's not bland at all. And this really good soft texture of potato, chickpea, tomato, and meat. And you normally eat this with roti, but I'm just going to have it by itself because there's so much already. And बहुत सारा खाना है, बहुत सारा खाना खाना है. ओके, इसके बाद खाते हैं हम नेशनल डिश ऑफ ईरान, कुबिडे. दिस इज द सॉफ्टेस्ट टेंडरेस्ट लैम मीट कीमा सर्व्ड विद सैफरन राइस. और इसके साथ ये थोड़ा टमाटर खाना चाहिए, जो रोस्ट किया हुआ है टमाटर. ये थोड़ा सा ये प्याज जो इसे भी चूल्हे पर थोड़ा सेका हुआ है. और ये कबाब ऐसे साथ में लेकर little bit of saffron rice. हमारे यहाँ सीख कबाब जो बनता है ना, उसमें काफ़ी मसाले जाते हैं. यहाँ इसमें बिल्कुल मसाले नहीं हैं, सिर्फ थोड़े हर्ब्स है और नमक है. और इसलिए जो मीट का फ्लेवर आता है और जो अंगीठी या कोयले का फ्लेवर आता है, लाजवाब है ये. मुझे कहा गया है कि इसके साथ एक थोड़ी मिर्च भी खानी चाहिए. ट्राई वन मोर पीस ऑफ दिस कबाब. अभी इसी कुबिडे के फैमिली में है ये जुजे. जुजे इज मेड ऑफ चिकन, अगेन सैफरन राइस. अगर आपको चिकन पसंद है तो अपन चिकन खा सकते हैं, मटन पसंद है तो मटन खा सकते हैं. बट दिस इज अनबिलीवेबल. दिस ब्रेड स्टफ्ड विद कीमा. एक कलौंजी है ऊपर या सेसमी है, पता नहीं, अभी ट्राई करते हैं. ओह, two of my favorite things in the world, bread and meat. And when bread and meat comes together, ऐसे है. I wish Iran was not war torn, and I wish I could go there and actually sit there and eat this food. अभी lamb chops या shishlik. I honestly should not be using a fork and knife. ऐसे ही खाते हैं. It is so close to what we cook in India, but it is so different. एक familiar flavors है, बस lighter flavors है. Meat is tender and soft, perfectly roasted. बाहर brown black हो गया है, अंदर से गुलाबी है. Yes. Okay. अभी गोरमे सब्जी. मैं सोच रहा हूँ इसके साथ खाया. Also lovely bread. अब सोच लो, पालक है और राजमा है, दोनों को मिक्स किया है, थोड़े मसाले डाले हैं, and it's delicious. It's really, really delicious. वेजिटेरियन नहीं है, इसमें मटन है. Wow. So this is literally like meat cooked with vegetables and rajma together. मुझे तो फंसा दिया. See, the smile has come on my चेहरा आ गया. वो बहुत ही टेस्टी है. अब चावल खाते हैं. इसमें चिकन का लेग है, लेकिन ये तो लूंगा मैं, लेकिन मुझे जो पसंद है ये ऊपर का, जैसे बिरयानी में खुरचान बनता है ना एंड में बॉटम में, वैसे आलू. This is called Adas Pulao. Same word is Iranian or Farsi. Pulao. हम भी पुलाव खाते हैं, वो भी पुलाव खाते हैं. Potato. इसमें पुलाव में थोड़ा मसूर जैसा कुछ है, चिकन है, ऊपर से पोटैटो, क्रिस्प पोटैटो है. लेट्स हिट द लैम्ब. और आलू, लेकिन ये आलू ज्यादा रेड है. Ta-da, ta-da. Now we're talking. It's like a buttery sauce. Oh, that meat is so tender. The aloo, let's try it. This is aloo? What is it? It's not aloo. Kuch aur hai. So this is actually a rice cake made with saffron and egg. It's beautiful. Another version of a French toast, but with rice. Quite delicious. अब थोड़ा कुछ मीठा हो जाए. क्यों? मीठा? Akbar Mashti. It's, again, a lot of saffron used in this cuisine for flavoring, pistachio and rose petals. It's an ice cream like a sorbet actually. It's rich, it's exotic, it's got a really, really strong fragrance and flavor of saffron, and just the right amount of rose flavor, rose water in it, and the crunchiness of goodness, pistachio. Oh, very good. But every meal ends with some chai, Irani chai. Oh, thank you. I love this teapot. Look at it. And then either I can have these sugar cubes. I like this. This is what we call futane in Marathi. Let's put a few of these. And then stir it a bit. So this has been our wonderful, wonderful episode on Persian food, Iranian food. This was our episode on Persian food, the rich culture, flavors and taste of this wonderful cuisine. I'm ending this episode on a sweet note. तो अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज यू ऑल्सो लाइक अ स्वीट पर्सन लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है. दिस इज गुड, यू नो, आफ्टर ईटिंग ऑल दिस थोड़ा ये हो जाता है, ये क्या बोलते हैं, डाइजेस्ट.
Is that like a normal tea or something?
It's a mild black tea. Yeah,